already might know the sum and sum if and sum ifs. The what is the sum product? The product means the multiplication and the sum means addition. When we combine those two functions as a addition and the multiplication, the combination function is called the sum product. Let's take an example. Here is the item table and planned and sold means this is the item price and this amount the item is sold. First criteria is showing all items sold less than planned means it is planned to count the number of items which is sold less than the planned. The sum products not only to summation or addition, this is also used to counting or any specific criteria also. To make count, first we evaluate the formula. To evaluate the formula, we use equals to formula test and take the particular cell address, and this is the formula. Let's try here. Sum product. In the syntax of the sum, it is showing the array 1 and array 2, array 3 and infinite. Array 2, array 3 is not compulsory. That's why it is enclosed with the third bracket. The first array is the by default and the first array will be C2 to C10 as it said the sold is less than the planned. This is sold is less than the planned. And why I taking the total range? Because this is a total calculative formula of the table. When we using sum product, we are not taking particular cell, we are taking the particular range to range. This is the ultimate or the structure of the sum product. So basic theorem is said the total sold is less than total planned. But there is a catch. If I enclose this and press the enter, it's showing 0 because this is a conditional function, means a conditional function which is comparing less than respect to planned. To check something conditional, you might know the if function is everywhere is a logic test, and what is outcome of the logic test? It might be true or the false. So first we have to evaluate the true value, means we have to output the true. To check anything from true to any number means this is the true value and we need a outcome of this number. Why? Because sold is less than planned in this row means number 1. Same thing, sold is less than planned means number 2, and again sold is less than planned is number 3. Means there is a 3 item which is sold less than planned. How can I say the 3 item? Because this is called the count function. So we have to count, means this is the true value of the function. So we have to count the 3 true value. So when we have to convert the true value to a number, we use double minus sign. This is convert the true value to a number, means this will evaluate the true value, then additional first bracket of, then we use the 2 minus which is convert inside of the all the true value. Let's check, means this true value, this true value and this true value, 3 true value will convert in a number and it will be the summation 1 1 1 which will be true because of these two minus value, which I hope it is clear. If not clear, write down in the comment section. I will give you the answer. And practice this exercise. This is the most important point. Practice it. Next is apple sold less than planned. Means here is another condition which is called appelled. First evaluate the formula using this formula test. In here we use the same thing like sum product less than, same thing as I do earlier, including we take another condition inside the sum product. When we take another condition, we use not the plus sign, only the multiplication sign, which is called the addition. In here the multiplication works as a addition. Addition of what? Addition of another condition. The another condition said in this range we have to find particular thing which is called apple. And remember, when we are using the text, always use inside the double quotation marks. So first thing first, this evaluate this true value, next evaluate the true and false value, then the total result will be outcome. Again write down because it erased. Equals to apple to, here is the result. This is not very tough or complex thing, it is just about the concept. Always think you might be see this minus sign in many Excel file or tutorial. This minus sign is only work to convert any true to a number, means convert true to 1, again to 1, again to 1, 3, 1 1 1 is equals to 3. It mostly used inside the sum product. Let use with the and or logic. First thing first, and means when both logic are true, both the condition is true, or mean any one will be the true. So first we using the and. We have to the count, we have to the summation, we have to the average. There is a condition of not. Let me zoom it. Condition to north and the item apples. First thing first, just formula, let we try sum product. Why we are using the double minus sign? To convert the true value to a number. F2 we are not writing down. Do a smart work. Equals to apple 3. Next is what? Next is the summation. First thing first, formula text. In here the same thing, but Addition is the C30 to C13 to just a summation. Just copy. We are not taking the absolute range, so just add here. Same as the average. Average is what? Average is same thing. Is just divided by. First you are taking as a sum, then you divide it by number of items. So you can do that. The link in this description of this practice set. Just download and practice it. Next is the OR logic. In AND we are using the star same as we using the OR as a representation of the summation sign, means the plus sign. So we have to calculate the count, and there is a catch. In here we are first evaluate this section, thereafter we are taking another section. Let's try. Sum product equals to what? The apple. For OR always use the plus sign, then use again this section equals to lemon 7. This will be your homework, and this will be your homework. Next part you have to practice, because already it is done here. Just try.